Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. In our previous episode, we learned about the basic concepts about layers in Procreate. Today, let's create a charming kitty together. It's going to be a lot of fun, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's begin by sketching a shape kitty. We'll use simple lines to outline our kitty's shape and add a cute shape hat. To make it truly adorable, we need those big expressive eyes and, of course, a playful grin. Oops, it seems the face got a bit crooked. No worries, we can fix that with the lasso tool. By this way, if you want the kitty to look soft and cute, make the head to body ratio 1:1. Now let's sketch a round body for our shape kitty. Picture it with one paw on its waist and a spatula in the other hand, proudly displaying its culinary prowess. Isn't it just adorable? Let's bring this image to life. Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but one usually dangles, so for now we're only drawing 4 toes. Next, we'll give our kitties a classic shape uniform complete with a charming little tie. Remember to make it symmetrical. We don't want one side bigger than the other side. Here's a new idea. Since the shapes uniform are typically all white, adding an apron in a brighter color could add some dynamism to our character. Let's make the feet smaller so it looks cute. With the rough lines in place, it's time to outline. Select your layers and press N. You can adjust the layer's transparency by moving the dot on the slide. I like to keep it quite transparent, around 18%. Well, I prefer a thicker brush, but feel free to use whatever brush suits your style. When drawing a circle, press the pen tips on the screen, hold it, and then tap the screen with your other hand to create a perfect circle. To make the eyes symmetrical, use a lasso tool to select one eye, swipe down with 3 fingers, and click Duplicate. Then move it to the other eye's position and flip horizontally. It's one of the simple ways to draw symmetrical eyes. Now simply follow along with the strokes. Since this part isn't too technical, I'll speed it up, haha. Well done! Stroking is complete, but drawing isn't finished yet. Since I put the right eye on a new layer when duplicating it, I'm going to merge these 2 layers. Just use 2 fingers to merge the necessary layers. It's simple, right? Be careful not to merge the rough drafts. Now let's create a new layer and let's start coloring. If the color is appearing above the strokes, you'll need to move the color layer beneath the stroke layer. Tap the reference option on the stroke layer and then go back to the color layer to fill in with colors. Remember not to leave any gaps in your strokes. If you have any question about this step, please refer to my previous video. Anyway, if you want to adjust the kitty's skin color, click on the adjustment icon and select Hue, Saturation, Brightness. You can easily fine-tune the colors by adjusting the values. I'm going with an orange cat because it's bright and cheerful. Other colors might make it look a bit strange. To select colors, use the small square button on the left of the canvas. Then pick a darker color from the color wheel for the kitty's stripes. You can try multiple times to find the perfect color. I used the bright chartreuse for eyes and the vivid red for the scarf and apron to add some contrast. Adding white strips to the apron make the whole image less dull. The spatula gets a light gray color, leaving the white gaps for a highlight. It looks great so far, isn't it? Oh no, I almost forgot the tail. Here's a tip. It's better not to add the tails directly to the stroke layer, because as a beginner, you may have to draw it carefully and it limits your movement. Instead, drawing it on a new layer and then erasing the parts that connects to the body is much easier. Since the tail is done, merge the tail and the strokes layer together, and then add the colors and the stripes. And there you have it! Please show me your version of the Shift Kitty in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.